Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be showing a complete walkthrough of KS2, Key Stage 2 SATS exam paper 3 reasoning paper, which is the 2019 paper, which is the last paper available because as you all are aware 2020 and 2021 due to the COVID pandemic, like there is no SATS exam happen in the school. Teachers tax system, teachers assessment grades are considered as the tax result. So this year 2022 is going to be the first exam after the pandemic, and we are going to be showing in this video 2019 how to do the paper 3. Let's have a look. Question number 1, the original price of a car is 8,999. Sale is 1,100 off. What is the sale price of this car? So sale means you need to take away that 1,100. So 8,999 take away 1,100, right? So if you take away the big number from the small number, so 9,987, right? So the answer is 7,899 is the correct answer. If you like, you can put a comma next to the 7, which is the 3 number separation, 7,899. That is the answer for the question number 1. Question number 2, 3,576,219. Which digit is in the 10,000s place? So this is the units: tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 is 7. Round the number to nearest million. Nearest million means this is the million. So just before the 5 is going to be the decider. So 5 is going to be 5 or more than 5. He will give 1 to the number. So that 3 becomes 4 million. So 4 with 6 zeros. 4, 000 and 000. So if anything equal to 5 or more, round up, and if anything less than 5, you don't need to add 1, so you can leave it as a 3 million. So the answer for this question is 4 million is the answer. Question number 3. Dave says, I had 10 pounds. I gave some money away. Which expression shows how much money Dave has left? Right? A is the money, A is the amount of money in pounds that Dave gave away. So 10 pounds is the money he had, and take away the pound, a pound he gave. So careful with the units, both are pounds. So the answer, I would say 10 minus A is the correct answer. I'm going to put the fourth answer from the list. Question number 4, write these masses in order, starting with the lightest one. The lightest one means like a less heavy. 1.25 kilogram, 0.99 kilogram, and 1.025 kilogram. So I would prefer this is the first choice, and the second one is 0.99, and the next one is 1.025, and the last one is 1.25. The way to do this question, if you write them in the column way, 1.25, 0.99, and 1.025, and 0.009. If you look at the first number, 1 and 1 are bigger than the 0 and 0. So the lightest one has to be this or this. Then go to the next number. 9 is heavier than the 0. So he is the first and then second. Then compare the other two. 1 and 1 are common. You go to the second digit. 2 is heavier than the 0. So this is third one and this is the fourth one. That's how to find out. So let me write the answer. This is 0.009, and the next one 0.99, and the next one 1.025, and the next one 1.25, right? And now that is the answer for the question number 5, and we are moving on to the question number question number 5. We already done the question number 4. Write the missing digits to make this addition correct. So you need to be start with somewhere, right? You need to start with somewhere. So some digit here, 2, and so a box to a box, a box to, and you can convert the question in this format. So the answer is 200. Now everybody know 2 add with 8 is 10, 0 and 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10, 0 and 1 remaining. 1 plus 1 is going to be the 2. So it's going to be 1, 2, 8, add with 72 gives the 200. Question number 6. John buys 1 toy car and 1 pack of stickers. He pays with £10 notes. How much change does John get? Right? So 149, 149, add with 164. You can do the column addition. So 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 and 1 remaining. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 remaining. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3, 13. So 313, take away from £10. Take away from £10. So 10 goes into 9 and this comes as a 10. 10 goes into 9 and this comes as a 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 take away 1 is 8. 9 take away 3 is 6. £6 87. £6 87 is the correct answer. And moving on to the question number 7. The picture shows the masses of 8 kittens. And what is the difference in mass between the heaviest and the lightest kitten? So the heaviest, you need to understand 305, 375, 310 and so on. I prefer the heaviest one is the 410. And the lightest one, it's in the 200 series, 255. So 255, 410. So 410, take away 255. And if I take away one from the other, 4 gives 3 and this one becomes 11. 11 gives 1 to the next number. So this becomes 10. 10 take away 5 and 10 take away 5 is 5. 3 take away 2 is 1. So 155 grams is the correct answer. The masses of the kittens are to be put in 4 groups. Write the missing numbers in the table. One has done for you, right? So we need to do this table as a kind of a tally chart if you like. So I am going to do tally chart. How to do the tally chart? 305, it's going to become here. And so I done this one. 375, it's going to become here. And 310, it's going to become here. And 255, it's going to become here. And 275, it's going to become here. And 410 is already marked here. And 360, it's going to become here. And 345, it's going to become here. So this is going to be 2, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 2, 1 is already filled, and that is the answer for the question number 7. Question number 8, Ken is playing a game. He has 4,289 points. He scored another 355 points. Ken's target is 6,000 points. So if I add this with a column addition, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 remaining, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 5, 14 again, and 1 remaining, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, and 4 straight away down. Now we need to do 6,000, take away 4,644. So it's a column subtraction you can do. 6 go into 5 and this becomes 10 and this becomes 10 again. So the previous number becomes 9 and this becomes 9 and this becomes 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 4 is 5. 9 take away 6 is 3. 5 take away 4 is 1. Right? So he need to score another 1,356 points to reach to his target, and the working out you can show that one. So the answer for that one, 1356, 1356. Question number 9. So read the question carefully. It says the pictogram shows the number of satellites above the Earth in 2016. How many satellites were above the Earth in 2016? So 1000 represent one full circle. So there are two full circles, so which is 2 times 1000, and that is 2000. And quarter of a circle, quarter of 1,000, we can say quarter of 1,000 is 250. So if you add everything together, 2,250. And that is the answer. And we are going to move on to the next question. Question number 10. On the grid, there are 3 points joined by 2 lines. Lara plots another point on the grid, -1, 2. So -1, 2. She joins the points to make a quadrilateral. Complete the Lara's quadrilateral on the grid. Use a ruler. So -1, 2 means somewhere here. And I'm going to use my straight line tool. So connect here and connect here. Right? And now Lara translates the quadrilateral 4 squares to the right. So 4 squares to the right means each point moving 4. So this point is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, right? So I'm going to be showing a different color. So for the second part, so this point is going to be moving as here. So this is moved 1, 2, 3, 4. And this point moved 1, 2, 3, 4. So it comes here. And this point moved 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes here. Right? Now I'm going to be connecting these 3 points with a straight line tool. Hopefully you bring the third point is the new point to be marked. So that point is here. You bring the calculator, so not calculator, ruler and the protractor for your SATS exam tomorrow. So that is the answer for the question number 10. We are moving on to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, here are 5 numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write each number on the correct cards. The number 2 has been written on the correct cards for you. Prime number, 2 can be a prime number. Factors of 12, yes, 2 can be factors of 12. 2 can't be in the 15. So 3 is a prime number, yes. And 3 is a factor of 12, yes. And 3 is a factors of 15 as well. So done. 4 is a prime number, no. 4 is a factors of 12, yes. And 4 is a factors of 15, no. 5 is a prime number, and 5 is a factor of 15, and that also done. 6 is not a prime number. 6 is a factors of 12 and cannot be a factors of 15. Moving on to the question number 12. So question number 12, Amina's bed is 190 centimeter in the length and 91 centimeter in the width. She is making a 1/10 scale model of the bed. So 1/10 means you need to divide by 10. So 190 divide by 10 is 19 centimeter is the length model thing. So 91 is going to be divided by 10 is 9.1 centimeter. So question number 13. Kirsty says, when you double the size of an acute angle, you always get an obtuse angle. Explain why, Kirsty, is not correct, right? So acute angle example. So acute angle, let's say you can say 30 degrees, right? And double 30 gives 2 times 30 is 60 degrees, right? Still it's acute. So it's acute angle, not an obtuse, right? Not an obtuse angle, right? Or you can say another angle, so double, say 45 degrees, which is 90 degrees. 90 degrees is not an obtuse angle, it's a right angle. So you can give examples to prove that you are right. Question number 14. So question number 14, how many days are there in September, October and November altogether? So you need to do the knuckles method, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So they are asking September, October, November. So January is 31, March is 31, May is 31, and then June, July is 31, again August is 31, October is 31, and December is 31. So this has to be 30, and this has to be 31, and this has to be 30 as well. So if you add 30, add 31 and 30, so you get the answer 91 days as the answer is the correct answer. Question number 15. The International Space Station orbits the Earth at the height 250 miles. What is the height of the International Space Station in kilometers? So 250 miles, this is in miles, right? So this is in miles equal to space kilometer, right? The information given 5 miles. So 5 miles, if you read the question carefully, they give it's 8 kilometer. 5 miles is 8 kilometer. 5 to 250, it's times by 50. So do the same thing, times by 50, and 8 times 50, it's 400 kilometer, right? So that is the answer. 400 kilometer is the correct answer. And question number 16. So question number 16 is a reasoning question. They're given potatoes 1.50, 1 pound and 50 pence per kilogram, carrots 180 per kilogram. Jack buys 1.5 kilograms. So 1.5 kilograms of potatoes. Potato is 1 kilogram is 150, right? And half a kilogram is 75p. So if you add this one, you will get 225, right? Then half a kilogram of carrot, half a kilogram of carrot is going to be 180 per kilogram. So that is going to be 0.90. So you add both together, 225 is the potatoes price, 0.90 is the carrots price. You add them together, 5, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 3, 15 is the total price. But the question is different. He is giving 5 pounds notes, so you take away 315, So answer is a column subtraction. 5 goes into 4 and this is going to be 10. Again, take away 9 and 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 1 is 8. 4 take away 3 is 1. So the correct answer is 185. Question number 17. X plus 2y equal 20. X and y are whole numbers less than 10. What could be x and y? You can do any numbers. The answer for this question can be anything. Let's say if x equal 1, right? If x equal 1, if I put 1 plus 2y equal 20, right? So 2y equal 1 is going to the other side, 20 minus 1 is 19. But this can't be a problem, so y is going to be 19 over 2, cannot be a even number, only can divide by 2. So 19 divided by 2, a decimal number, but the question says a whole number. So x cannot be 1. So if I put x equal 2, it's a trial and error method. X equal 2 means 2 plus 2y, right, equal 20. Then you can find out 2y equal 20 take away 2, which is 18. So 2y equal 18 means y equal, you divide by 2 becomes 9. So less than 10, y can be 9, x can be 2. Right? There are many answers possible. You can be get x can be 4 and y can be 8. You can get x equals 6, y can be 7, and you can be get x equal 8 and y can be 6. There are more than one answer possible. Question number 18. Question number 18, they're asking tick the fraction less than 5/8, right? So less than 5/8 means, so you need to be make, they also, this is 1 over 2 means 4 over 8. So that is less than 5/8, and 2 over 8 also less than. 3 over 8 is 6 over 8, that cannot be. And 7 over 16. 7 over 16, you need to be convert, this one is 10 over 16. So 10 over 16 or 7 over 16, so he is less than. And the next one, you can divide by 4. 4, 6 are 24, 4, 8 are 32. So that cannot be an answer. So 3 answers possible for question number 18. Question number 19. Question number 19, someone makes a jewelry to sell at the school fair. Each bracelet has 53 beads. She makes 68 bracelets. Each necklace she has 105 beads and she make 34 necklaces. How many beads total altogether? So all what you want to do is she need to be times 53 times 68, right? 53 times 68, column long multiplication, 8 times 3 is 24 and 2 remaining, 8 times 5 is 40 plus 2 42 and place a 0. 6 times 3 is 18, 1 remaining, 6 times 5 30 plus 1 is 31 and add them together 4, 8 plus 2 is 10 and 6, 3604 beads for the bracelets. So 105 beads for the each necklaces. So 34 you divide by times by 34. Again 4 times 5 gives 20 because there's a 0 there. 4 times 1 is 4. Then put the 0 here. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 remaining. There's a 0 there. 3 times 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. And 3 times 1 is 3. So add them together. 0, 7, 5 and 3. So now you add these together. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7174. 7174 is the correct answer for the question number 19. A few more questions to go. Question number 20. Adam is making booklets Each booklet must have 34 sheets of paper. He has 2 packs of paper. There are 500 sheets paper in each packets. So one pack is 500. So 2 packs, the total number of sheets is 2 times 500. So mental maths, 2 times 500 is 1000 sheets. 1000 sheets, right? So now what you need to do, 1000 sheets you have, how many complete booklets Adam can make from the 2 packets? So divide by 34, right? So how easy you can do this one, 34 divided by 1000. So you can do a long division if you like. So 1000 divide by 34, right? Nearly 2 times 34 is 68. Column subtraction, 100 take away 68. You know how to do that one. So 10 goes into 9 and 10 take away 8 is 2, 32 and 320. I would say 9 times 9 times 34. I'm going to be before I put the 9, I'm going to be multiply 34 times 8. 8 times 4, 32, 3 remaining. 8 times 3 is 24 and 7 is 272, right? So 272 is 8 times. I'm going to be check 34 times 9 times. 9 times 4 is 36, 3 remaining. 9 times 3, 27 and 306. Am I right? So let me check. 320 is the answer. Maybe I have made a mistake here. 8 times 4 is 32, 3 remaining. 8 times 3 is 24, 27, right? So 270 and no, that is definitely a wrong multiplication here. That's my bad. I just figured that out. So do the multiplication again. So we made a careless mistake there. So 8 times 4 is 32, 3 remaining. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 270, isn't it? So 8 times 4 is 32, 2 and 3 remaining. 8 times 270. Question number 20. Adam is making booklets. Each booklet must have 34 sheets. He has 2 packets of paper. Each packet got 500 sheets of packers in each packets. How many complete booklets he can make from the 2 packets? So 2 packets means 2 packets gives 2 times 500. So 2 times 500 is 1000 sheets he has. So 1000 sheets divide by 34, it's going to be the answer, right? So you can do some trial and error method. 34 times by 10 is 340 sheets you need, right? 34 times by another, say, let's say 20, what will happen? 680. If I add these two, so 0, 8 times 4 is, sorry, 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1020, but he doesn't have enough sheets, right? If I drop 1, right, so 30 booklets can be made with 1020 sheets, but he doesn't have enough sheets. So actually 34, if you times by 29 booklets, 9 times 4 is 36, 3 remaining, 9 times 3 is 27, 30, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6, and answer is 6, 8, 9. 986 is the total sheets required. So he can make 29 booklets, right? So you show all the working outs here. That is the correct answer for the question number 20. Question number 21. ABCD is a rectangle on coordinate axis. The sides of the rectangle are parallel on the axis. So point C is the center of the rectangle. And what are the coordinates of B and D, right? So if I draw a dotted line here, this mark is 25. And if I make a dotted line here, this mark is 40. So 25 and 40, the gap is 15. So you need to go for 40 at 15. It's going to be 55. It's going to be the x coordinate of the B, right? So x coordinate is 55 and the y coordinate is going to be same as the A coordinate because they are in the same level. So 30. So I already found the answer for the B. D part, the E coordinate, it's going to be 25, isn't it? So they are asking the D, so X coordinate must have 55, right? And if you see this length, the halfway through this point, this is 30 and this is 22, 8. Right? If you take away 8 from 22, it's going to be 14. So 55, 14 is the correct answer for the 21. Question number 22. So question number 22, you need to read the question. 6 identical right angle triangles are arranged to make a rectangle. Calculate the length of the rectangle, right? So you need to be careful and trying to understand what is this going on. 6 identical right angle triangle are arranged to make a rectangle. So this is 7 and it looks like not calculate the length of the, so this is the length they are asking. So this could be 3.5 and this could be 3.5, right? And this is going to be 3.5 and this length is going to be 7. So the length has to be 10.5 is the correct answer. So 10.5 is the correct answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identical right angle. Perfect. Question number 23. So I believe that is the end of the exam paper. Question number 23, P to R is 800 meter. The distance from the P to R is 800 is given in the sentence also. The distance from the P to Q, 4 times the distance of Q to R. So if this is X, 4 times is 4X. So you need to try to understand what is the algebra says. 4x plus x equal 800. 4x plus 5x is 5x is 800. And you divide by 5 and divide by 5 and x equal 5 ones are 5. So 160 is the x. So what does that mean? This is 160 and times by 4, this is going to be 640. Now read the question. It is 600 meters from point P to Q. Explain why Olivia is not correct. So you need to show the working out. P to Q is 4x, and you can say Q to R is x. So now you do the algebra and show 4x plus x is equal to 5x, which is 800. You divide by 5, and you get the answer x equal 160. So P to Q is 640 but not 600, so not equal to 600, right? So if you can write that in a sentence or something like that, that is the proper answer. So we have went through all the questions in the 2019 Key Stage 2 Paper 3. I wish you all the best for your tomorrow's Paper 3 exam for the SATS exam, and that conclude our this year's help for your SATS students. And all the best, and look forward to seeing you in the year 7. Thank you. Bye.